Hello friends. Welcome back to another episode. In our last episode, we introduced you to Medco or Maharashtra Executor and Trustee Company Private Limited. Today, let's dive deeper into Medco's specialized services. You'll be amazed at how they take the complexity out of managing wills, trusts, and legal matters. Let's explore. Will-related services. Planning for the future means ensuring your wishes are respected and your loved ones are cared for. Medco simplifies this process with expert support for drafting, securing, and executing your will. To make it even easier, Medco's digital will facility allows you to manage everything related to your assets, movable or immovable, seamlessly and securely at your convenient place and time. Trust management services. Medco offers expert consultancy for creating both private and public trusts, providing personalized advice to help you structure them according to your needs. Medco also undertakes the management of public and private trusts as managing trustee. In addition, Medco specializes in managing charitable trusts by overseeing their registration, administration, and ensuring compliance with all necessary financial regulations. For those managing trust investments, Medco takes the reins, handling investments, maintaining audited accounts, and filing income tax returns and financial statements with the Charity Commissioner's Office, ensuring complete transparency and financial integrity. Power of attorney services. Imagine you are too busy or away, but your property-related bills, electricity bills, property taxes, renting out properties, including executing rental agreements, or managing investment need attention. Medco offers comprehensive power of attorney services, allowing clients to entrust us with handling various financial and property-related tasks. Guardianship of minors. Medco offers comprehensive guardianship services for minors, including court applications for guardianship, financial support, and management of a deceased parent's estate such as PF, gratuity, and LIC claims. Medco also handle property as per court directions and ensure the estate is transferred when the minor reaches adulthood. So, why choose Medco? As a trusted subsidiary of Bank of Maharashtra since 1946, Medco is renowned for its professionalism and expertise in estate management. Offering affordable services, Medco places a strong focus on security, confidentiality, and customer care. With over 1,300 live wills under management and with a proven track record, Medco ensures that all estate matters are handled with the utmost diligence and expertise. With another topic, see you in the next episode.